Traveling turns you into a storyteller. Follow me to see the world and I will show you unique travel spots and share my top tips and recommendations of each place I've been to. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine and I'm going to be giving you guys a tour around Italy, and it will be mostly around the Roman forums. You'll be able to see just a little bit of the Roman forums and of the Colosseum, as well as the different streets of Italy with all the different beautiful flowers that they have all around that make Rome so romantic. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if you can, subscribe to my channel because I'm always putting up different videos weekly, and I'll be able to give you my top tips and recommendations from different places that I've been to around the world. Thank you. How long is the flight? We're on our way to the Colosseum.
9 hours.
And we just got here. It was a 9-hour flight from Atlanta airport. And we're very tired, but trying to make it to see the Colosseum and get as much as we can in our trip.